afternoon and welcome to San Francisco Airport. We are in the States, we're back. It's been 6 months since we've been here. Straight through border control because obviously we've still got our S, so this is nice. But here is the luggage thing here. Flight wasn't too bad, 11.5 hours from Heathrow. Quite long. Food was alright, just watched a few films, got some kit. Obviously you see it was a pretty empty flight by the video previous. But got moved around quite a few times, but neither here or there. But anyway, we're here for 3 days, San Francisco. We're going to visit basically all the main sites we can, Golden Gate Bridge, obviously by the bay and stuff. And then we will, move on from there. But let's just get out there. Let's get into the rain, because it's rained for all 3 days. So yeah, let's head to the city and let's check it out. So here we're just walking through what they call the financial district. We're going to head down this way. This way heads towards Pier 14, which is towards where the bay is and one of the bridges. So yeah, going to head down into there now. We've got this bit behind us here. We're going to go to this transit centre, see what that's all about. And then yeah, carry on down to Pier 14, straight down here, and then hit the hotel after that, I think. But let's go. What the hell's going on? Morning and welcome to day 2 in San Francisco. We're going to Golden Gate Bridge today, but first we're going to stop off at Lombard Street. Didn't really record much last night just due to the weather. It absolutely poured it down in the end, but now we're booked a Waymo cab, I think it is, a driver's car, which is going to take us to Lombard Street. Never done one of these because there's no fucking driver in it, but hey ho, it should be here in about 2 minutes. So I think I see it coming down now, so let's get in this car, let's get to Lombard Street and then go to the Golden Gate. This is ours. Skid Row in San Francisco. That's it, mate. It's done. The top of Lombard Street. So, Lombard Street is at the top of this hill. You could look down onto Lombard Street, but if you come across, you sort of get this view here. This takes you down towards Fisherman's Bay, or Fisherman's Wharf, I think they call it. So this is obviously San Francisco Bay, and over here you get the first glimpse of the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. What a view this is. And then we're going to walk down here, probably head down to the bottom, and then try and view it from here and try and get a sort of a cross view from it before we head over to it. But man, that is iconic. Beautiful. So one thing I've noticed with these streets, it's obviously so steep, so you've really got to be careful walking down these. But obviously we're heading now over to the Golden Gate viewpoint, Fisherman's Wharf, which is down here. So we can hopefully get a nice sort of panoramic view of the Golden Gate Bridge. Obviously you can see Alcatraz Island from here, but for the sake of $11 and a probably 15-minute walk, you can go see Lombard Street and then a nice view of the Golden Gate and Fisherman's Wharf, all within the space of like 15-20 minutes. Although it's quite slippery due to the weather, but nevertheless I cannot believe I'm here right now looking at this. But yeah, I can see Alcatraz now just in front of me. So when we get to the bottom of this hill, we'll turn it around and show you it. But what an iconic city this is. I know the weather isn't great, it's on for the week, so we've just got to make do with it. You know what I mean? It's not going to change, it's going to rain until Friday. We're only here till Wednesday, so, or well, not even that, we're here till Tuesday night. So we just got to make the most of it and see what we can. But the Golden Gate Bridge is looking kind of clear, so kind of happy about that, because obviously we didn't want it to be too bad. But let's get down to the bottom here and get a look at the view. This is Fisherman's Wharf. I'm going to walk around this bit here and see what we can find before we then head to the bridge, which is over in that direction. Magnet is secured, so that's that done for the trip. Let's move on. It's now walking towards Pier 39, which is just towards the end here. They're going to walk across to the end of that pier, I think. Seals. Real life seals in San Francisco Bay.
섬 같은 거고요.
Maybe they're looking for birds, like.
So here we are, Golden Gate Bridge. just there. Completed, mate. Just gonna walk underneath it now, this side, just to see it from the other side really before we now walk over the Golden Gate Bridge. The rain is coming down. I bought myself a poncho for like $2.39 from the gift shop. So yeah, we've obviously got this on. We're going underneath it now. So let's have a little look. Peace. There's the view. Nice. City of San Francisco and the Golden Gate Bridge. So it's the Bay Bridge there. City of San Francisco. There it is behind me, look. The Golden Gate Bridge. It took 11.5 hours to get here, but man is it worth it. There it is, City of San Francisco in the background. So now I'm thinking walking up this hill here and getting a nice viewpoint of it, but maybe to see if the rain holds off a bit because it's still coming down. So yeah, let's see. I might go up there. It's a good 20-minute walk though, with Alcatraz in the background. But yeah, so for now, just going to spend a bit of time here taking the sights and then we'll move on. Peace. And welcome to the best view of the Golden Gate Bridge. This is Battery Spencer viewpoint. It's took probably about 20 minutes to walk from the visit centre down here, and then probably an hour maybe to walk across there. It's a long way, but man is it worth it. Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco in the background. I wouldn't know whether to walk it, but I'm so glad I did. There's the Pacific Ocean sort of coming in. Mountains in the background. And that's the main bit. There you go. And cold and rainy views of Ocean Beach. Might not be out here because of the wind, but not the best weather. We're soaked wet already. This is Ocean Beach, California, San Francisco. not got the best clothing for this. It's stone cold. I think it's like 2 degrees in California of all places. But hey ho, I'm going to go get a bus. I'm going to go to this place called Airport in Oakland. And yeah, then head to the airport for our next flight to the next place. But let's try and enjoy this one again. So this is a nice park on top of the sort of like central bus station, I guess they call it. We're going to get a bus from here to Everville, I think they call it, which is in Oakland, just to go over the bridge. So yeah, let's check out this little park and then get ready to head over there. That's the financial district, pretty much in the center of it, in San Francisco. Lovely. Hello and welcome to Alameda, I think they say it. I think that's how you say it. We're just at the bridge, the Bay Bridge, across from San Francisco city centre really. Across through Oakland and then under a bridge to Alameda. So yeah, let's go walk around here for a bit, maybe go into a few shops maybe, and then get the next bus back across, so then we can then head to the airport to go to the next place. But just a bit of a spontaneous thing really. It only costs like $6 I think just to do this, so yeah, definitely worth it. So let's check out just this little bit of Alameda. It's a little island just off of Oakland really. Yeah, it's cold, soaking wet, the rain has stopped for now. But yeah, so let's check this out before we head off. Nice. So we just got off the bus here, the next bus stop is just over the way there. Get the Oi bus back across. But yeah, it's just a little island really. Massive shipping docks over the back there. In and out there, I might pay them a visit. But yeah, sweet. So here we go, one final look at San Francisco skyline. Beautiful. Then one final look at the Bay Bridge. Final look at the Bay Bridge, and one final look at the skyline of San Francisco. Beautiful, it's been lovely, apart from the weather. But let's now head to the airport. Peace.